Hey everyone, so I'm going to do a dirty pour using some earthy colors, but I am going to throw in a little bit of the Aqua Flash from Folk Art just for a hint of color along with Deco Art Dark Patina. So the colors I'm using are Craftsmart Gold, Deco Art Worn Penny, Lucas Van Dyke Brown, Craftsmart Espresso Metallic. This is also the Van Dyke Brown, it was just left over, and I need maybe a deep bronze that I'll throw in there as well. So it's going to be on the brown side with the hints of green. I think what I'll do too, and you can watch me do this, I'm going to take some white. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of brown to that. And maybe I'll throw in some Naples yellow as well into the painting itself too. And I'm just going to give that just a little shot of that. And that should give us a creamy color. A little more yellow. That's better. So that's giving us like a tan color with just a subtle hint of the yellow. Okay. So I'm going to move this canvas while we mix up some cups. And we're going to need at least 3. And I'm going to go ahead and spray those with the WD-40 spray off, away from the canvas. Okay. Now, I'm trying to decide if I want to throw some black in there. I probably should. And this black does not have silicone, so I'm going to add some. Put about 6 drops in there. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the black. And I'm going to follow that with the gold. And then the Van Dyke Brown. I'm going to use this one up first. I want the browns to show up. Killed that one. And I'll follow that with the Craftsmart Deep Bronze Metallic. And then I think we'll throw some copper on top of that. This is actually Worn Penny from Deco Art. It's a very dark copper. Let's do just a touch of white. And then we're going to add our Espresso Metallic. This is a brownish metallic. Okay, and here comes the cream. And then the yellow. Alright, now let's throw that dark patina in there. Along with the Aqua Flash. And we'll end it with a little bit of black. All right. Move these out of the way. Okay. So I'm probably going to need a little swirl in those cups too. So let me do that before I pull that canvas back. And let's see what we get. Hopefully not mud. We already started with mud, right? Okay. Love when that aqua flash came up through the black. So I'm going to start this one on this end and do the same thing. So our third cup is for placement. And we already know we have the black and the aqua. So I'm going to bring this right through here. And one right through here. And I think that's it. And that's all we're going to need. Let's give it a torch and get the bubbles out. A little hint of yellow there. And some cream over here. So I'm getting it all in the middle. I'm going to come this way. I'm going to head down here. That aqua back up there. I kind of dropped it, didn't I? Oh, it's coming through the black. We're good. And it's coming here with the worn penny as well. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, let me wipe my hands. Oh, beautiful. I should have some pretty runoff on this one to make some skins. And I have enough in my cup that I could probably make a couple of tiles as well. No waste on paint. Okay, let me torch that. Lots of pretty stuff coming up. Let me wipe the bottom off and I'll bring it up to show you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below. Click on that bell for notifications. Click like and share and leave a comment. All of our links are below for all of our social media, our P.O. box for fan mail. Look at the runoff. Gorge. And don't forget, the stone coat code is there as well. We try to make sure that's on every one of our videos because we will be resining all these beautiful paintings. So with that being said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.